My name is Lupus. It's an honor for me to be here and to meet Lupus friends from all over the world. I am from Indonesia. Do you know where Indonesia is? Indonesia is located in Southeast Asia as the fourth most populous country in the world. Indonesia's 2014 population is estimated at 252.8 million. Indonesia is an archipelago that stretches 5,120 kilometers from east to west. It is almost the same distance from London to Moscow. The estimated number of people with lupus is more than 400,000. It's such a large and populous country. Helping people affected by lupus is a great challenge. However, SDF is not alone. Support groups such as SDF have been established in major cities and provinces. Lupus friends at Care for Lupus, or CFL SDF, called me Lupus. Lupus, Lupus, Lupus. Do you know what SDF is? SDF stands for Syamsi Dhuha, or Morning Light Foundation. SDF was established in late 2003, initially acted as a support group for people with lupus and low vision, or visual impairment in Indonesia. Its mission is to improve the quality of life of people with lupus and low vision. The foundation's activities include education and training, advocacy, mental and spiritual support, financial assistance, and research promotion. Lupus friends at CFL SDF have two slogans: Care for Lupus, your caring saves lives, and Never give up. With these values, despite of many challenges, they keep working and doing something meaningful for themselves, for other lupus friends, and for the community around them. I am happy to share with you what they have been working at CFL SDF. Initially, they conducted group discussion and sharing session among lupus patients. They provided financial assistance, though at a very limited amount, to those in need. They visited their friends whose lupus flared up and were hospitalized or were taken care of at home. In the past, they did a house renovation for a lupus friend whose house was not worth livable. This renovation project was funded by some crowdfunding among the foundation's supporters. Over the years, their activities grow in line with the challenges they face. When they realized that not many people know about lupus, they wrote and published some books. Miracle of Love and Lupus, My Naughty Friends are two books among several books that have been published to educate people about lupus. The last one is an animation book about me. It is about my story. I am happy that Lupus Europe has been working with CFL SDF to adopt and translate this animation book into English and French, and hopefully into other European languages to be distributed across Europe. I'm becoming more famous now. Not only publishing books, they have also released Care for Lupus music album to increase awareness about lupus. When they realized the doctors in suburb area faced difficulties in diagnosing and dealing with lupus, they conducted trainings for the doctors by inviting senior doctors to train them. When they realized that some basic lupus drugs categorized as off-label were excluded from the National Health Insurance Program, they appealed and proposed to the health minister that off-label drugs should be included in health insurance scheme. The current project they are working now is trying to establish a lupus patient database of lupus registry. We all know that the database is very important, especially to support the government in making policies and decisions. Unfortunately, a valid database is not available yet. A web-based application has been developed and will be offered to the Ministry of Health and can be used by all lupus support groups, hospitals, and health facilities in Indonesia as tools for gathering data. Other interesting project is Care for Lupus SDF Awards. This award is presented to encourage research initiative in finding Indonesian herbal as supplements for lupus therapy and other researches about lupus. One of the winners of this award has developed personal medical diary. This personal medical diary helps both lupus patients and their doctors to deal with lupus. SDF has received numerous awards for activities conducted, including Sasakawa Health Prize 2012 from the World Health Organization or WHO in Geneva, Switzerland. There are still other activities that I could not share this time, but you can visit SDF's website at www.syamsidhuhafoundation.org. I hope my presence today would extend relationship among lupus support groups around the world. Thank you for watching and listening to my story about CFL SDF. And now, let's together say out loud, care for lupus. Your caring saves lives. And never give up.
Lupus!